Alright guys, on to box 4 of this 2015 Prizm Draft Picks. So far, I'm really pleased with my boxes. If you haven't checked out those videos, go check them out. I already posted those. I've gotten some nice cards so far. So it is 12 packs, 5 cards per pack in a box. And the base cards are really nice looking. I'm hoping I can put the set together. This is my 4th box out of 9. Oh, here we go. Starting off with Big Ben. Same first card in the last box was Big Ben too. Allen Hurns. Danielle Hunter, rookie Prizm. Denzel Perryman and Jay Ajayi are my rookies. Alshon Jeffrey base, Terrence Williams base, and Kenyon Barner from Oregon, All-American. Those are not numbered. Good looking cards though. Devin Funchess and Marcus Golden are my 2 base rookies. Oh, see a Patriot on the back. It's a good sign. Oh, another Patriot, Tom Brady. Richard Sherman and Dominique Brown. Oh, here's one of the red, white, and blue Mojo Prisms. These are numbered to 25. I won't spoil it with the players, but believe it or not, this is my 3rd Mojo Prism auto out of 4 boxes. So, I mean, this stuff has some serious value at its price. Has Dominique Brown. Oop. Don't know much about him, but it's a sweet card. Still got plenty of packs to go. Cody Fajardo and then Malcolm Brown. Patriot. Still have one more auto, probably a few colors I'm hoping. Gronk. There's another Patriot. Odell Beckham. Jordan Cameron Prizm. Eric Tomlinson and Bernard McKinney are my 2 base rookies. So far, so good with this box, too. I really like what I see out of this stuff. There's my stained glass. I think those are 1 per box. Patrick Peterson, Matt Forte, and Shaq Thompson stained glass. Really good looking cards. They're not numbered, though. Jake Waters and Levi Norwood are the base rookies. Alright. I think this is my 6th pack, so this will be halfway through right here. Matty Ice. Nice. Johnny Football. And a J.J. Watt defense Prizm die cut. That's pretty cool. Shane Ray and Kenny Bell are the base rookies. We got a camo in here. Sean McCoy. It's a pretty nice one. Le'Veon Bell camo. That's out of 199. Oh, that's cool. He's obviously having a great year, even with his suspension at the beginning of the year. Him and Brady. Alright. Deontay Greenberry is my Prizm rookie. Eli Harold and Jackson Shipley are my base rookies. Alright, so I think I have 6 more to go. Still looking for one auto. Still looking for gold or finite. Haven't found any of those yet. Andrew Luck, Jason Witten, Larry Fitz Prizm. It's cool. Tyler Lockett and Cameron Irving are my rookies. Alright. After this, 3 packs to go. Another camo. Wes Welker, another former Patriot. It's cool. Earl Thomas. And another Deontay Greenberry. I'm getting a ton of this guy. Mike Davis and Tyler Croft are my base rookies. Alright, one more auto. It's not in this one. Garrett Blunt. There's another Patriot. Sweet. Alright, Demarius Thomas. Oh, that's a nice card. Jameis Winston, team trademarks. That is a rookie. Those are not numbered, but it's a sweet looking card. And my 2 rookies were Jeremy Langford and TJ Eldon. Decent base rookies in that one too. It was a good pack. Alright, I think this is my last auto. Randall Cobb, Cam Newton, Max Williams. Team trademarks, insert auto. No, that's not a bad one. He's still around. These are not numbered, but beautiful looking cards. I believe he's still around with the Ravens, so maybe they'll give him some looks and he can do something. Max Williams. Sammy Coates and Terrence McGee are the rookies. Oh, I might have got a bonus hit, maybe? Not sure. I did already get 2 autos, right? Yeah, I got 2 autos. Alright, Ndamukong Suh. Dante Fowler Jr. Not sure what this is. Oh, nice. A bonus auto. Another guy that was drafted decently high. I think he was hurt this year, so we'll see if he can come back and do something. I saw this next card too, and this is another nice one. David Johnson. Prizm rookie. Sweet looking. Love David Johnson. He had a great year this year. I think he set the all-time record for most games with over 100 yards from scrimmage. But my 2 base rookies are Brian Bennett and TJ Clements. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check out my next video and I'll be back with another box of Prizm. Thanks for watching.